Hi, kids. So good to see you. Do you want to come play with us? Let's go on an adventure in our Toybox.
Hi, Toybox kids and parents. Today we're going to make a sensory bottle with glitter and Orbeez. First, let's add some sparkle. And let's add some shapes. Triangle, square, and Olaf. Why not? Oh, there he goes. Let's add some water beads. This is mineral oil. It'll help give levels to our sensory bottle. Oil does not mix with water. Let's shake it up. It looks like a snowstorm. Can you find Olaf? We are going to use our sensory bottle to roll out this model magic. It's so stretchy. Let's review our colors. Purple, light blue, pink, white, black. We are going to roll out this purple first. Going to make an N, W, C, A, S, L, let's spell some words. I'm going to trace out letters. S, O, what could go in these blanks? S, L, maybe. S, N. Let's try that. Let's sound it out. Snow. Oh, that makes a word. Snow. W. That's right. Snow. Elsa knows about snow. We are going to spell a small word with 3 letters. I, E. Can you think what goes between I and E? C, A, S, or L? Let's try C. Elsa knows about this too. Ice. That's right, ice. We're gonna open up this toy. Who could be inside? Oh, look, it's Anna. This last word is going to be our longest word. C at the front. E is the last letter. A T in the middle. What could this spell? We have 3 blanks left and 3 letters left. A, S, cast, let's add the L. Castle. Let's open up one more toy. Look at this funny guy. Oh, it's Twiddledum from Alice in Wonderland. And Sebastian, Ariel's friend. There he is. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe.